my name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short sound demo video to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful little drum just here. Now this is a 16-inch shamanic deerskin drum, which is rather beautiful. It's on a 16-inch ashwood frame. If I turn it over here, you can see there's a branch handle, an artificial sinew for the lacing, which is really strong and resilient to the effects of moisture that you might get, for instance, with skin lacing. So that's really good at resisting those effects. On the handle here, I've engraved or burnt into the wood an image of a stag surrounded by the phases of the moon, which is rather a nice image that I found, and I wanted to bring that stag energy. This is a fallow deer skin. On the inside of the frame there, I've put a stag's head, just to carry on that theme of the deer energy. I've also put my maker's mark and the date of birth, when the drum was birthed, which was the 5th of June 2022, night in Paris, UK. That's to enable you to go along and find out what was happening astrologically on the day when this drum was birthed. Okay, so little hair there, let's get rid of that. It's really actually a very lightweight drum. It's a nice lightweight ash frame. The deer skin is nice and light too, so it's going to be a nice lightweight drum, this one, for somebody. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firm beater. Both give a slightly different sound. Hopefully you'll discern that for yourself in a moment. Either of these are available to purchase as an option if you decide this is your drum and you decide to buy it. So let's have a little play. Have a listen to the sound. And then the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this video has helped you to make a more informed decision. It's very difficult when choosing online. It's very nice to be able to hear what the drum sounds like, and that's why we make these little videos. So I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.